Well, Britain's Chancellor Exchequer on Friday said that taming inflation was more important than cutting taxes, resisting calls from some in the governing Conservative Party for immediate tax breaks for businesses and voters. The UK's annual inflation rate hit a four-decade high of 11.1% back in October last year, fueling a cost of living crisis and a wave of strikes by workers seeking pay raises to keep pace with the rising food and energy prices. It has since eased, but still reached a painful 10.5% in December and is the highest since the 1980s. The UK economy, like others around the world, has been rattled by pandemic restrictions and the shockwaves from Russia's war in Ukraine. Inflation is higher than in the US and the 20 nations that use the euro currency, with most forecasters expecting the UK economy to contract in the first half of 2023.
With volatile markets and high inflation, sound money must come first. But our ambition should be to have nothing less than the most competitive tax regime of any major country. That means restraint on spending. Our attitude to risk in this country can still be too cautious compared to our US friends. But we are capable of smart risk-taking in this country. At the start of the pandemic, we bought over 350 million doses of vaccine without knowing if they would actually work. And we ended up with one of the fastest, most effective vaccine programs in the world. We also need, if we're going to deliver those competitive enterprises, smarter regulation. Brexit's an opportunity not just to change regulations, but also to work with our experienced, effective and independent regulators to create an economic environment which is more innovation friendly